this is something new here. Samsung is working on a brand new, amazing feature for the upcoming Galaxy Watches. And no, it is not related to the battery life, unfortunately, but it is something so significant in my eyes that this really could revolutionize the smartwatch market. But look, this is just my humble opinion. In the document, Samsung describes using an LED and spectroscope technology to measure wavelengths of light which are absorbed or, let's say, emitted or reflected by the skin, by your skin. It will then compare the data collected against the reference that has been created. Furthermore, an algorithm will then calculate the calories consumed, comparing the measurements/results against their reference that has been created earlier on. And of course, your medical history will also be taken into the account, as well as how active you have been during the entire day. It is very simple, yet so effective that this means your upcoming Galaxy Watches would be able to automatically track your calorie intake during the entire day. And you could see it like a bank account. It's like a bank account. You have money in, like an overdraft. You can't really spend more than you have unless you obviously go into the overdraft. But it's the same principle in terms of calorie intake and calorie, burn. As of today, we only have an estimation of the calories you burn every day. So this new feature will give us really the most important key, and that is calorie consumption versus calorie burned. Let me know your thoughts below. I hope I earned your subscription today. It was lovely to see you again. Thank you for watching. Peace out.